we have seen how to multiply the fractions. Now, we are also going to see how to multiply mixed fractions, improper fractions, proper fractions. Addition and subtraction also has been seen, and you have seen that we have to add and subtract fractions by taking the LCM. Now, we are going to learn simple multiplication of fractions. This you have already learned in the previous classes. For example, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, you know that 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 4 is 8. So, this is of recalled value because this has been taught to you in the earlier classes where we multiply two simple fractions. Now, we are going to extend this concept into multiplication of mixed fractions, and then next we learn how to divide fractions. So, let us say we have a mixed fraction 2 1 upon 2 and it has to be multiplied by 3 1 upon 5. These are both improper fractions and we want to find the result of this 2 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 5. The first step is to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. For that we will multiply 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 will give us 5. So, we have 5 by 2 multiplied by, this is 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. So, we have 5 by 2 here and 16 by 5 here. Now, we have converted the mixed fractions in both the cases to improper fractions. So, we have got 5 by 2 into 16 by 5. Now, before multiplying this, we are going to see whether we can cancel out some terms of the numerator and denominator. Now, we can see there is a 5 in the numerator here and there is a 5 in the denominator here. So, we can cancel this, and we can also see that 2 will go 8 times in 16. So, therefore, our final answer is going to be 8. So, this is how we are going to multiply two mixed fractions. Instead of multiplication, if the symbol is division, let us say we have a question 3 1 upon 3 divided by 4 1 upon 2. Now, there is a division sign in between. So, this is 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 1 will give us 10. So, we have 10 by 3 divided by, this is 4 1 by 2, which on converting to an improper fraction 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2, it changes to 9 by 2. Now, the division sign can be solved by taking the first number as it is. So, 10 by 3 I will take as it is and multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. So, reciprocal of the second means 9 by 2 will become 2 upon 9. Now, we are going to see whether something is cancelling. We find that numerator and denominator do not have any common terms. So, that means we will simply multiply the two terms. So, therefore, 10 into 2 we will get 20, 3 into 9 we will get 27. So, we get a proper fraction 20 by 27. Now, in some questions they will also say find 3 by 4 of 7 by 8. Now, what is the meaning of that? Find 3 by 4 and this word will be written of 7 by 8. This simply means again we have to multiply the two fractions given to us. So, 3 by 4 of 7 by 8 implies 3 by 4 into 7 upon 8. We see that numerator and denominator do not have any common factor. So, we simply multiply the numbers in the numerator, we get 3 into 7 as 21 and 4 into 8 as 32. So, we get a proper fraction here 21 upon 32. What happens if the same type of question is in the form of two mixed fractions? Let us see that. So, if the question says find 1 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4, this implies 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So, we know this is 3 by 2 and of means multiplied by, this is 4 to the 8, 8 added to 3 will give us 11. So, we get 3 by 2 into 11 upon 4, which can be written as 33 upon 8. So, we get a improper fraction. Now, this improper fraction can be converted to a mixed fraction. Now, how are we going to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction? we will divide 33 by 8. So, 8 fours are 32, we get the remainder as 1. Therefore, we can write this as equal to 4 1 upon 8. 4 being the quotient here, 1 being the remainder, and 8 is the divisor. The denominator is 8, this denominator also has to be 8. For verification, you can multiply 8 into 4 is 32 and add 1, we will get 33 by 8. So, we get this as 4 1 upon 8.